La 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 la. Taking the bath in iron brew. Wait, what? Please don't. Oh God, I'm so messy. Hang on. Kitchen roll on tea. Let's clean Steve off because he is literally really wet. I gotta go toilet next, so please don't follow me. Who cares, Steve? I do, obviously. But please clean me up first. Okay, Steve. Ah! You are so wet, Steve. Good night, Steve. It's not my bedtime, you baby. Oh God, who reeks in here now? Anyways, I'm getting warm. Really warm. I'm telling you, super warm. Anyways, I'm dry now. Am I? Or am I not? I am. Let's put this in the bin. I was only taking a bath in iron brew. Why did you follow me? By the way, iron brew is not an hearty drink. Oh, it's much easier to open the door now. I just took a bath in iron brew. But now I'm clean and fresh.
Who reeks, Anna?
You, I heard you fart. Hello, Batman.
There's a cup there, Anna. Excuse me, Anna.
Dotty. You, did something just pee on me or something? Fudge. Hello, Fudgy. Don't take me! Okay. Anyways, I need to go to my poopy pod, aka the toilet. Do you mind? Really? Washing me on the toilet? Do you mind? Really? Well, anyways, let's flush this thing. I can't flush it! Hang on. A real hand will do it. There we go. Well, that's a weird, odd-looking toilet. Anyways, oh my God, my scented color just changed again. Washing machine! Ah! Finally, it stopped. Oh God, no. I think it's starting again. Help me, please! Help me! It stopped again. Help me! Help! Ow! Ow! That really hurt. And I think I might have broken my arm off. Did I? I'm fine. Well, anyways, there was a bit of nonsense. I just got stuck in the washing machine. I really did.
Have you been in the actual washing machine?